Here's a simple trick that will make your eggs ready for Easter in just a few minutes. A quick way to naturally remove the color from eggs. These eggs are perfect for dyeing. In stores, you often find eggs with darker shells. This color is mainly due to the chicken's diet. I'll show you how to naturally get rid of this color. Start by preparing a pot. Place the eggs inside and fill the pot with room temperature water, covering the eggs completely. Add 200 milliliters of vinegar, which will gently dissolve the outer layer of the shell. Turn on the stove, and when the water starts to boil, lower the heat. Boil the eggs for 10 minutes. After just 5 minutes, the eggs slowly start to lose their color. Once the time is up, cool them in cold water. Now, grab a sponge and start rubbing the eggs until the color starts to fade from the shell. These eggs are now ready for painting. It's a quick way to get white shells. Here's a quick and simple way to create a festive holiday snack. Start with 5 eggs. Place them in a pot of cold, salted water. Bring to a boil and cook for 8 to 10 minutes for perfectly hard-boiled eggs. While the eggs cook, prepare a fresh, washed red bell pepper. Cut off the top and remove the seeds. Then slice a thick strip and cut it into triangles. Once the eggs cool, peel them and slice each one in half lengthwise. Take black peppercorns and place 3 in each egg half, 2 for eyes and 1 for the nose. Next, take a small plastic bag and add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Cut a small hole in one corner of the bag. Use it to pipe mayonnaise onto the eggs, creating Santa's beard and hair in thin, fluffy lines. Finally, place the pepper triangles on top of the eggs to form Santa's hat. Your festive snack, shaped like Santa's head, is ready. It looks cheerful and seasonal, is simple to make, and perfect for a holiday table or as a tasty party treat. Pour water over your fried eggs. Fried eggs have never been so perfect. The yolks will be runny while the whites are perfectly set. Take a skillet and place it over medium heat. Add some clarified butter to the pan and spread it evenly, waiting for it to melt. Then crack a few eggs into the skillet and cook them as usual for about 3 minutes. Normally you would flip them at this point, but now grab a little water in a jug and pour it over the eggs in one swift motion. Cover the skillet with a lid and let the eggs cook for another 3 minutes. Remove the lid and serve as desired. This trick ensures the yolk stays runny, the eggs are always sunny side up, and the whites are well cooked. This method makes frying eggs easier than ever. Combine eggs with oats. You've never had anything like this before. Pour 200 grams of oats into a bowl. Then add 2 eggs. Pour in 150 milliliters of milk. Add seasonings like salt and pepper. Mix everything thoroughly. Let it sit for 20 minutes. In the meantime, prepare the remaining ingredients. Finely chop some parsley. Grate about 150 grams of cheese using a coarse grater. Also, prepare a bell pepper and tomato sauce. It's the perfect complement to this dish. Take a red bell pepper, remove the seeds and chop it into small cubes. You'll also need a few cherry tomatoes. Cut them into smaller pieces. Next, take a pan and pour in some olive oil. Use a garlic press to crush 1 clove of garlic into the pan. Once the garlic is lightly sautéed, add the pepper and tomatoes. Cook on low heat until the vegetables are soft. Transfer the cooked vegetables to a blender and blend them into a smooth, aromatic sauce. Now, return to the oats mixture. Add the grated cheese and chopped parsley. Heat a pan and pour in some oil. Then, spread the oat mixture onto the pan. This will create a delicious omelet. Sprinkle it with black sesame seeds. Cook for a few minutes. After that, use a plate to flip it over and cook the other side for a few more minutes. Then, remove it from the pan and cut it into pieces. This omelet is perfect for breakfast or lunch. Serve it with the prepared sauce. This combination is simply delicious. Place the chicken breast in the egg mixture. This preparation makes the meat melt in your mouth. Take one large chicken breast and slice it lengthwise as shown in the video, then make small cuts on the surface. Pound the meat thinly with a meat mallet. In a large bowl, add about 200 grams of flour. In a second large bowl, crack 3 eggs, adding salt and pepper to taste, and mix well. Finely chop fresh parsley and add it to the egg bowl. Next, add around 50 grams of mozzarella. Parmesan can also be used. Add 2 tablespoons of sour cream and mix thoroughly. Now, coat the prepared chicken in the flour and then in the egg mixture. Melt butter in a skillet, then place the chicken breast in. Cook over low heat for about 5 minutes on each side. Once done, transfer the chicken to a plate. In the same skillet, add 150 milliliters of broth. Grate 3 cloves of garlic and add to the pan, bringing it to a boil. Add a large handful of chopped parsley and the freshly squeezed juice from half a lemon. After a moment, add around 20 grams of butter. Return the cooked chicken breast to the skillet and cook, covered for about 10 minutes. This dish pairs well with mashed potatoes. Simply add butter and your favorite seasonings to boiled potatoes and mix well. This meal is now ready. Juicy chicken breast in an egg batter makes a perfect dinner that melts in your mouth. Add a few drops to boiling eggs, and the shell will come off easily. You won't struggle with peeling them anymore. If you've ever had trouble peeling eggs, I assure you that this will change. This egg cooking trick guarantees beautifully peeled eggs every time. You'll proudly serve them to your guests without embarrassment. When buying eggs, we all want them to be fresh. But if they're truly fresh, peeling can be tricky after boiling. The solution is to cook them the right way. Peeling eggs easily is one issue, but another common problem is eggs cracking. That's why many people place eggs in an empty pot, cover them with cold water, and only then start cooking them. They also add salt. If an egg cracks, it won't leak all over the pot. But how do you make the shell come off easily? The answer is one fruit. Lemon. Take 1 lemon, cut it in half, and slice it. Or just squeeze the juice. Add it to the boiling eggs. Lemon softens the shell, preventing it from cracking and making peeling easier. Eggs boiled this way will peel without any hassle. If you don't have a lemon, you can add a bit of vinegar to the boiling water for the same result. I prefer using lemon slices or lemon juice.